Hi guys, welcome to and welcome back. So this video, my husband and I are replacing the mailbox. Yes, so when we moved into our home, it was 10 years ago, about to be 11 years. Um, and so that's the same mailbox that probably was with the house, like when it got built. Um, and the mailbox started to lean. Okay. So they didn't go with the vibe that we was trying to put out. So since I was previously living in um, a Section 8 house, and then before that I was living in a townhouse, and then before that an apartment. So I was not familiar with with needing to do maintenance around the house and things like that because somebody always did it for me. Okay, like I had something on the side that was always working in the fields. Anyway, so, once I got married and my husband and I, we had to, uh, he was familiar with all this stuff, but I'm not. So this is my first time ever looking at mailboxes to purchase. And I'm like, wow, I'm actually amazed at how inexpensive they are. Now, could they be cheaper? They could. Because when it all boils down, it's like one big plastic or metal box container. Like, picture Tupperware. Tupperware is not $20, $30. Then again, it has to withstand. I get it. I get it. But I feel like a mailbox should definitely not set you back. There's actually, um, you can ride around and you can see mailboxes that needs to be replaced. I would love to start a ministry of just replacing mailboxes for people. If they didn't get upset, if they didn't look at it as vandalism or trespassing or anything like that. But just they come outside one day and their mailbox is just replaced with a brand new one. Um, that's literally on my heart. I see mailboxes that are in need of replacement. And I get it. If you're on a fixed income and inflation's going up and you just don't have it, I get it. And you have to decide between food, medicine, or, the necessities. I get it. But I literally the joy that it would bring, the taking I seen one person's mailbox, y'all. It was laying on the ground. People they ride past, they hit stuff, they run into stuff. I don't know how the mailboxes, but they do. And it's like I just want to, anyway. That's how my mind thinks. Odd things like that pop up and it's like it'll run through my brain so much. Um anyway, so I've decided upon a white one. And as you guys will know, you'll later see that my husband decided to go and get one that was black. Now, did we fight about that? Yes, we did. Because how somebody going after you done and then you just so yeah, so I told him ahead of time. I was like, I'm gonna stay upset with you for about 2, 3 weeks. Like, I don't know. It's just why come it couldn't have been white? I thought white would have popped. We have white. Okay, well, I don't want to give too much information out. Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure that
Don't
gets
breathe that in, babe.
pretty wet. Make sure it gets wet.
You got your thing that you dug the hole with in the ground. What's that called?
What?
The hole digger.
Hole digger.
Yeah, that's the old mailbox. The plant I planted.
Make sure this concrete right here,
Yeah.
it's gonna harden in a second.
Yeah.
Let's make sure. Need some more concrete.
Okay.
Cover that up with dirt. And then make sure it's level
Yeah.
and straight.
So what's that hole right there? That little pipe.
Oh, I'm to make it keep it level. I'm just using that to keep it level. Right now I'm just getting the concrete down so our pole be set
Okay.
in there.
before you put the top of the mailbox on there?
Yep.
Look at my husband working hard. You need me to help you with anything? Just come back out here and hold something?
Nope, I'm good. Just need to make sure it's level now and let it dry.
All right.